Hi, in this ICP, I'm going to explain you about the linear regression and we have to calculate the mean square error, y-intercept and the slope of the data. And now let's jump into the code. Here in this code, I have imported all the required libraries to find the linear regression. And here is the data set I have imported, and from this data we have first 5 elements and describing the mean, standard deviation and the other count of the data here. For the data, first we have to describe the dependent variable and the independent variable. Here I have taken the GPA as the dependent and SAT score as the independent variable. First we have to model the data using the linear regression. Linear regression is nothing but finding the relationship between two or more variables. First we are plotting the graph between the SAT score and the GPA. From this you can observe that the SAT score is the independent variable. Whenever the SAT score increases or decreases, gradually the GPA score changes. Now we are going to fit the model. Using the OLS. OLS is nothing but the ordered least square. And here we can observe the coefficients. In this I have got a constant of 0.275 and the SAT score of 0.0017. And here plotting the graph for the same using the regression. And here in the regression we can observe that the orange line describes the linear regression and the blue dot says the best fit of the model. And using the regress expo, I have plotted the graph here for the different data sets and finding the residuals. Residual is nothing but finding the difference between the actual value and the predicted value. The residuals are independent of each other, and residuals should have a constant variance. Here we have taken the QQ plot. In this QQ plot is nothing but the quantile plot, and in this plot we have got a straight line which describes that the plot is normally distributed. And doing the linear regression using the sklearn. In this sklearn we have imported the data again, and now fitting the model and adding the constant x and predicting the model. And here we are again printing the score, coefficient and intercept which we have already got in the OLS model, and finally calculating the mean square error here. In this we have observed that the mean square error is 0.05 which is very less, so that we can observe that the error of the data is very low. Thank you.